So, okay guys, dito na tayo. 1-1 nga pala tayo kanina. So, 1 win, 1 loss tayo kanina. So, dito naman tayo sa Boston versus Miami Heat. So, Boston Celtics versus Miami Heat. Oh, Celtics 37 wins, 16 loss, second in the East. While the Heat 25 wins, 25 loss, seventh in the East. So, ayan. Yan yung kanilang standings. When Monday, February 10, 2025 at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 8:30 a.m. February 11 pala daw, sorry, February 11 yan, here in Manila. Kaseya Center, Miami, Florida ang venue. So, the home court advantage will be for the Heat kasi home court nila sa Miami maglalaro. So, Spread Celtics -6, Miami Heat +6. Over and under 219. So, health and availability, Celtics, Drew Holiday, shoulders questionable. Kristaps Porzingis, illness questionable. So, ayan, parang makakalaro naman parehas yan. So, Heat, Drew Smith out, Jaime Jaquez Jr. questionable, Nikola Jovic probable. So, ayan, mukhang maganda ang parehas ng lineup, parehas healthy ang lineup nila. So, parehas makakalaro. Walang masyadong dehado sa lineup ngayon. Parehas kompleto. So, ayan yung momentum natin. Dito tayo sa momentum. The Celtics have 7 wins and 3 loss in their past 10 game. The Celtics beat the Miami Heat last time they met. 108-89 ang score. Celtics won their last game against Knicks. So, Miami Heat naman. The Miami Heat have won 5 and lost 5 of their last 10 games. So, the Heat lost their last game against the Brooklyn. So, for the momentum, I'll go with the Celtics here. Kasi nanalo sila last game nila. Tapos, yung huling game pa nila versus the Heat, tambakol yung Heat, oh. 18 points ang lamang. So, saan nga ba tayo? So, final pick natin, syempre, dito tayo sa defending champion. Celtics -6 kasi pag panalo kasi yung Celtics against the Miami, tambak eh. Pag nanalo yung Miami, medyo dikit lang. Parehas pala tambak. So, pag nagkakataluan tong dalawang team na to, parehas tambak, nagkataon na sa Celtics ako. Kaya, kunin natin yung odds, kunin natin yung handicap, Celtics -6, saka ito, parang mas juicy sa akin ngayon tong over under. So, juicy sa akin yung 219, kayang-kaya nila yan. Hindi lang masyadong miscore yung Miami last time, pero kung i-score naman sila ngayon, kung aayusin nila, so 89, man, 89 points lang yung score nila last time. Alam naman natin na kayang-kaya nilang lampasan yan. So, for the over and under, over tayo 219. So, ayan, again, Celtics -6, over and under, over 219 tayo yan. So, comment your suggestions guys, comment your thoughts and suggestion kung anong pick din ninyo, pwede rin ninyong i-comment. Kung ayaw nyo sa pick ko, pwede ninyong i-contest dyan sa comment section. Kung nagugustuhan nyo to, please like and subscribe.